Hey guys, it's me, Taylor again, and oh my goodness! Mom, you gotta come here and check out her eyes. Look at
She looks like a demon dog.
Well, guys, back to what I was saying. Get on the bed, please. Back to what I was saying. I am using my camera right now, and I am in night mode. Hold her collar so she doesn't get off, okay? Well, that's okay. Well, if I am using night mode on here, I'm using night mode on my camera, and it can see in the dark. Bella, say hey to the people. Oh my goodness, her eyes look so scary. Try it. Turn the TV off. Well, no. Yes, come see.
I can't see to get over there. I'm holding the dog.
Oh. Well, no, I'll turn it around so you can see.
Wow.
No. Oh, this is okay. It actually makes it real better.
Okay.
This will haunt my dreams forever. Bella's eyes will haunt my dreams forever. This will haunt my dreams forever.
Can you tell what I'm doing?
You're making her ears go like this.
You got like bad ears. Bad dog.
You know she's a lady, right? Actually, not a lady. Well, she's kind of not a lady because she uses the bathroom outside. I can't even see in here I can only see with the camera.
You know they're a girl bat too, right?
Oh yeah, I do.
So that dog be a girl.
Bad dog.
Special powers for Kiri.
Wait, excuse me, I burped. But I want to see her eyes blinking. Hey, hold her collar. Hold her collar. You sure? Oh, I hit my elbow. I can't see. I hit my elbow. I can't see where I'm going. I hit my elbow. I can't see in here. I can see that again. Hold her. I can't see in there without using this mode. Nothing. I want to see how it looks in the bathroom, but keep holding her. Whoa, you can see in the bathroom. Nah, I can't ruin it. Well, I can't even see in here. I can only see with this night mode. It's like this. Yeah. As Uncle Jesse and Joey would say. You know? No, do those bunny ears again. Oh, come on. I keep pointing this to the floor. No, don't let her get up. Don't let her get off of the bed. Oh, yes, do the bunny ears. It better not be on my bed. Oh, come on. Bella, you're crazy. Can we talk? Keep doing it. I can't. Whoa, you can't even see in here. Now wait just a moment while I use the bathroom. Yeah, 'cause I gotta use it bad. Can't wait. You better.
Still recording? Yeah, okay. I won't. Bella, where are you? You've got it paused, don't you? No, never mind, you don't. I'm an idiot, that's all. Hey, Bella. Oh, my sweet Bella. You're a sleepy girl, aren't you? I can't get you in your ears. There you go. You're sleeping, my sweet girl. Okay.
Oh, got a camera?
I do. I got good close-ups of her. That picks up really good in the dark, doesn't it?
Mhm.
I got your grandma that.
Yeah. Oh, she looks so good. Of course. Wait. Okay, turn the lights back off. Oh, hey, Bella. Oh, I saw a blink. Let me get it to where she blinks. Let me get it close up. Bella, blink. Look towards this way, Bella. She winked. Yes, she winked at everybody. They winked at you. Hey, Bella winked at you guys. Hey guys, Bella winked at you. Amy. Hey Mom, you know what? It looks like you have a mustache.
Like I have a mustache.
Mom, stay like this. Turn around. Turn your head like this. It looks like you have a mustache, kind of.
I was just black. Oh, y'all, she's ready for bed.
Okay, everybody, I think that's it for this video. Bye-bye. Oh, wait. How I turn this off again? Oh, here it is. Bye. Wait, let me get some. Oh, wait, let me put it in the other map. Wait.